baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today with another DIY for you guys. Yep, it's a mirror. DIY using the mirrors from the Dollar Tree, and just put them together and make a nice little piece of wall decor. So that's what I'm coming on to share with you guys. And first, I would like to give a shout out to one of my sisters here on YouTube. Her name is Natural Luxe Diva. Yeah, she has a channel where she does DIY, she does hauls, she does tags, she does hauls with home decor and stuff. So I would like you guys to go over and check her out. I'm gonna leave a link below to her channel so you guys can go over and see what she's all about. So like I was saying, I have a mirror DIY for you guys, and I hope you guys are all doing well. The Christmas is coming, it's so fast. I was just saying the other day that Christmas season is here and Thanksgiving isn't even done yet. But you know what? Christmas is next week now, you guys. OMG. Next week is the big day. Yeah, so I want to wish you guys a happy holiday season and make your Christmas the most that you can. Even if you're with family, even if you're by yourself, it doesn't matter. You make the most of the situation that you are in, and from you have breath and life. That's all that matters. Nothing else is more important than that. You have your life. You get up every morning and you be thankful. I know, I sure do. All right, you guys, let's stop with this blabbering and get into today's DIY that I have to share with you guys. All right, everyone, let's get started. Alright everyone, here are some of the items we'll be using for this DIY, and everything will be listed down below in the description box for you guys to see what I used and where I got them from. Okay, I'll be using this silver acrylic paint to paint our little round circles, and we're going to give them one coat each. Now that our wooden circles are dry and I just painted the front, not the back, we're going to take these mirrors from the Dollar Tree, little compact mirrors, use our little X-Acto knife and just lightly nudge them out and they come off very easy. I will be placing these mirrors with some hot glue and some E6000 into the mirror of our small circles. Now we're going to add our Dollar Tree round mirrors and our little small circles. We're going to use the E6000 and the hot glue again and add our pieces together, going straight down in a pattern. Now that our mirrored pieces are glued together, I'm going to turn it over and I will be adding some popsicle sticks with some hot glue and some E6000 again to enforce our structure together, just to make sure it's firm in place with the support of the popsicle sticks.
Moco Productions.
Now we're going to add these bling gems to our design along with the gems from Totally Dazzled that I love. Now I'm just going to show you how to take the tab off the back of the gems that they come with. It's very easy. You just take your little pliers and twist and they come off very easy. There we go. So now we're just going to use the hot glue and glue them down. Now this bling wrap here, you guys, I was gifted from a friend, and I was searching on Amazon and all that, eBay, and I cannot find anything similar to it. And when we went back to the store where she got it from, the gentleman didn't have any more. That's all he had. And so I have no idea to tell you where you guys can get this kind of bling wrap. But I will keep searching, and if I do find it, I will come back and let you guys know. And now I'm going to take our Totally Dazzled gem and add it to the middle mirror, a large gem. And then I'm going to take these two small gems and add one to each of the outside mirrors. And here's our finished look, you guys. It's a nice, quick and easy DIY. A nice piece of wall decor for your home, mirrored wall decor. And I love how the gems from Totally Dazzled just blings it out. You know, I love the gems. They're very nice. They make any piece look elegant and nice. I absolutely love how they turned out with the mirrors from the Dollar Tree. And those little compact mirrors, you guys, that you use for your lipstick or your makeup. You know, you just nudge out the little circle, and you could use them on any kind of DIY. Doesn't it look absolutely lovely? Now you can place them side by side, vertical or horizontal, and I'm going to show you guys how I place them. And this is how I place them on the wall. I think they look super cute. I placed one above the other, and I did use command strips, you guys, to hang them up. Command strips I got from Walmart, the large ones. I used 3 of the command strips to hang them up, 3 on each piece. 1 at the top, 1 in the middle, and 1 at the bottom. And then I just placed them on the wall. I think it turned out very nice. I like how it looks on the wall. Now you can place them, like I said, side by side. Any way you want to place them. I think they look nice either way. Alright everyone, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of these mirrors that I put together for today's DIY, and give me a thumbs up, press that like button, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press that subscribe button so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I love to share with you guys. And once again, thank you so much for coming on and seeing my DIY for today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petal is Bliss. Bye bye everyone.